bouree. Dégagé to the side. This is called an extension or a preparation if done before pas de bouree. It also releases the foot if it's not in the place you want to begin. So for example, if this foot was in front, but we want to go behind first, we may want to make the extension. Pas de bouree derriere, fifth, second, fifth. The fifth is on the releve, the rise position. Crossed feet. So we go back, side, back. Derriere at the back, it stays at the back. Back, side, back. Pas de bouree, devant. Starts in the front, stays at the front. Devant, in the front. Prépare, dégagé out to the side if you need to. Front, side, front. With the other leg, dégagé out if you need to. Front, side, front. Pas de bouree over, front, side, behind. So it comes over first, but then changes its mind where it's going. So dégagé, over, front, side, back. Over first, what you're asking for, it does first, over, and then it changes and goes behind. So over, front, side, behind. Similarly, under goes under first and then finishes in front. So that will be back, side, front. Dégagé. Back, side, front. En avant. Now for en avant, you actually need to point back first, because if you remember, pas de bourées are together, out, together. So we need to do that first. So we need to go behind so we can go together, out, together. That's pas de bourée en avant. If we want to do pas de bourée en arrière, going backwards, we need to point to the front first so we can go together, out, together. And they are your main pas de bourées. Don't forget, you can make different variations, such as turning them, or any other alternative. You can make them different directions, or any parts of the pas de bourée can be used. So we could do back, side, front, and finish in a fourth. This is the start of Piquet, which is a similar step to pas de bourée, but you make little pickups in different places as you're making different forms of variation. So let's make Piquet, back, side, front. You can make Piquet ending in fourth, back, side, front. Or you could start Piquet with a drop to fourth and finish in fourth. Drop, back, side, front. So any variation for Piquets adds to your pas de bourée. Good luck, see you next time. Happy dancing.